Hi folks, in this video we're looking at the handbrake modification kit by Kiravans. This is a lowering kit to put on the driver's seat base in a VW Transporter T5, T6, T6.1, which will bring the handbrake below the level of your metal seat base, which therefore means that you can fit any single swivel you want onto your driver's seat without having to raise it up. Looking at what it does, this is the original cladding that goes around, the original trim that goes around the handbrake in these VW vans, and this is the new one that you're going to be replacing with. You'll lose several inches of height, which brings the handbrake when you release it down below the level of your seat base. This is the new bracket we're going to be using, and in the box you've also got all the accessories you need, nuts, bolts, bit of piping, that kind of thing. Total job time is round about 10 minutes. If you take out your passenger seat first to give you a bit of space to work with, 10 minutes will do the job for you. Big advantage of our kit is that there's no cutting, no drilling, no destructive work to be done on the original VW seat base and handbrake kit, which means that if you do ever need to revert back to original equipment in your van, whether you're selling it or whatever, you can simply take out your handbrake modification and reinstall the original.